Happy Monday. So when we picked up the truck and I was going through it, I found this wheel stud in one of the door pockets. And now I know why. If your drums are stuck like these were, dig in your bolt bin till you find some bolts to fit these holes. I think these are 3/8 bolts, not sure. I don't have a thread checker. So anyway, 2 bolts, thread them in and off you go. This came off very easily. This way. It was stuck before, by hand anyway. All right. All right, let me assess the situation here and I'll be back. Grab your favorite hammer and start wailing away. I've already gotten this loose. I didn't want to, kill your ears, but that's it. I'll bring the new one in. I have to go find my wheel stud installer. So this is what I'm using. Lyle 22800 wheel stud installer. I've used this before. I always try to keep the tools in the packaging when I can because, I'm not going to be around forever. And if somebody finds this in your toolbox, they're not going to know what it is. So if it's in the package, this doesn't take up a lot of space and somebody's going to know what it is. Okay, so here is why these are handy. This has a bearing in the back of it. And when you put this on, it turns very easily. So this allows your lug nut to spin and not create a bunch of extra friction trying to pull that stud through there. And there you have it. We are back to 6.